Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive the BMW i4. First, ensure your vehicle is charged and ready to go. Once inside, take a moment to get comfortable and adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel. Then, press the Start/Stop button, usually found near the gear selector, to power up the vehicle. The central display will illuminate, and you'll hear a subtle readiness sound, indicating the i4 is prepared for your journey. The BMW i4 offers various driving modes, such as Sport, Comfort, and Eco Pro, which you can select using the buttons on the center console. Each mode adjusts the vehicle's performance and efficiency. To begin driving, simply move the gear selector lever to D for drive or R for reverse. Remember to use the regenerative braking feature. It helps recover energy when you lift your foot off the accelerator, extending your range and enhancing efficiency. Managing your i4's range is crucial for a smooth electric driving experience. Always keep an eye on your battery charge level and the estimated range displayed on your screen. For longer trips, it's wise to plan your route to include charging stations, ensuring you never run out of power. The BMW charging network provides access to numerous public charging points, making it easy to top up your battery when you're away from home. Consider charging to 80% for daily use. The BMW i4 is packed with advanced features designed to enhance your driving. Take time to explore systems like adaptive cruise control and parking assistance, which can make your journeys safer and more relaxing. For long-term vehicle health, remember to perform routine maintenance, such as checking your tire pressure and ensuring all fluid levels are correct. And speaking of comfort, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.